Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Moto Metabolism Support Capsule. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here guys, we have it pulled up here on Amazon. So as you can see, they're rated 4.1 out of 5 stars with 524 ratings. So that's actually pretty good. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a capsule or a supplement that helps with your health and actually increases and helps with your metabolism. So if you're wondering if this product is any good, let's read some reviews here. So as you can see, this person said this stuff works, good stuff, works as advertised, isn't the same for everyone. Not a surprise. Good jump to start my metabolism. Kind of work. Effective. I just started taking them. And a lot more. So as you can see, there are a lot of good reviews here. So if you want to try this product out, you can go ahead and try it. There have been no reports of any bad things happening. The worst case scenario is that it doesn't work. So there are no bad downsides to trying it. However, if it does work for you, then it is actually pretty good. And that is it guys, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.